What is up, guys? My name's Carson. There's Sammy. We are the complete couple, and today we are on Virgin Voyages, and we're going to show you a balcony stateroom, standard bathroom room tour. Let's walk in and show you guys what you can expect. So here is room 9194Z. I like that they put the letter on there, so I think it's A or Z, instead of having to worry about if you were left or right. We are in. So as we walk in this room, guys, right side is going to be your standard closet area. You got a place you can put your shoes. You got a place you can put a suitcase. This right here is your wash bag. So for people that have the blue extras, Sammy can maybe explain that. You do get one free bag of laundry. Free, may I say, free. Ample room to put some stuff up here. Hats, maybe shoes. Plenty of room in this closet. That is on your right side. And then open this up. Here's your full-size safe. Nice full-size safe. Full-size mirror for those ladies that like to see themselves in the morning. Or men. You got your life jackets, storage. What is this right here? We got a hairdryer. Oh wow, they got soft clothes. That's kind of cool. All your drawers. That's a nice deep drawer. So you got two deep drawers, two shallow drawers, and additional storage down there. And then on the other side, you got your thermostat. Crank that baby all the way down. And here's our bathroom. So let's see what we can expect. Now, I will tell you, the one thing that Virgin Voyages I think lacks, and I don't think they lack on much, is the storage in this bathroom area. Now, for someone like Sammy that brings two huge makeup slash like garment bags, and for me that brings one, this is not enough area for us. But just to give you an idea, you got a full-size mirror, you got a little bit of storage right here, you got a little storage there, garbage can, extra towel, a little storage down there, got your toilet, towels, and then here is your shower. Nice big shower area, can't complain there. Nice door. You got your overhead rain shower. Got your wand, shampoo, conditioner. So that is your bathroom. Again, nice. I think they lack on space in here, my personal opinion. I think they could do a little bit better of maybe knocking that mirror down, adding some shelves like Royal does. Two hooks right there to hook robes or towels. And then as we enter into the rest of the room, here is your, I think this is a king-size bed. Here's your king-size bed. As you can see, I'm already taking advantage of my side table here. Sammy's got her side table there. We've got a glass of champagne that they left us. Beautiful arrangement of pillows. Here's our first set of chargers. You got a regular set of charger there, two USBs. We will definitely take advantage of that. Two hooks right there for hooking up, again, your hats or other items. TV, as we round the room here. Not exactly sure what this is here for, if you want my dead honesty.
I have it.
I think it's drawers.
Nope. So listen, if you are sailing with someone else, they take the other twin, they flip it, so one person will be this way, one person will be this way. It'll make an L, so you don't have to share the bed. Genius. So there you go. So that's what that is for. Makes sense now. You know, no charging on this area. In case you do the two beds, there's your charging port with two USBs. There you go. Standard chair. Let's see what we got over here. This is your little desk area. This right here is your little iPad that controls all the lights, the temperature, when you want your room made up. You got your daily plans that they leave on here for you. It is Valentine's Day, so they left us a little Valentine's Day card. Nice mirror. Some extra storage here. And then you got your fridge. Nice clean fridge, nothing crazy. Nice clean fridge. One thing about Virgin Voyages, if you are new, they do not have water bottles. So they leave you these pails of water with cups in your room. You can ask them to refill it, obviously, but they do not have water bottles on this ship. It is a water bottle-less ship, so you get that right there. That is your water. Additional plugs here. You get one more USB. You get two regular plugs, and then you get a overseas plug right there. A lot of plugs.
Yeah, plenty of plugs, I would agree. One more full-size mirror right there I missed. Again, more lights. Side tray table with some wine we're going to enjoy. Let's go take a look at our balcony. Now, it is cool. That iPad also controls these drapes. So you can shut and open those drapes by your iPad. Most of the time, actually, when you leave, they automatically shut. And when you come back in, they will automatically open. Here is the balcony. Two nice chairs with a table. The famous red hammock. And there's the port right there. Kind of cool. We are docked where you can actually see people entering. Two nice chairs, a little loud out here right now. And that right there, guys, was your room tour. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments. We will feel free to answer them. Again, hit the subscribe button. We've got a ton of Virgin content coming at you. See you guys on the ship.